Welcome to our Live Good Business presentation, The Membership That Pays. So title pa lang, no, talagang nakaka-excite na. And para dun sa mga late na pumasok, a quick introduction lang about myself. I am Vilma Sabulao, a Diamond Leader of Live Good. At isa po akong accountant by profession. At solo mom po ako ng 5 bata. Nag-join ako sa network because pangarap ko po na mapagtapos sila sa kolehiyo. And true enough, in a period of 17 years and a half, turning to 18, I've been a top achiever of 3 international company, including po si Live Good. And right now, I'm 58-year-old. In 2 year time, I'm gonna be senior. And I'm enjoying the life, no, na I gain that kind of health. And ako din po yung naging kauna-unahang babae na naging diamond sa buong Live Good, the 5th diamond also in the Philippines, a founder of LGSEI, isa na po akong lola, nanay, coach, mentor. So, ayan po, paano ko po na-discover si Live Good? 2023 of February, someone, may upline, send me the landing page. And landing page pa lang, talagang sumali na po ako. Na-inlove ako sa nakita ko and never changed until now. And it changed my life, it changed the life of many people. At para dun sa mga bago natin nakikinig ngayon, your life can be changed as well. Okay? So because of Live Good, I regain my health and my energy. Yon, as I mentioned a while ago, I'm turning 60, pero I don't feel like one. I built a smart income with a purpose. I help others grow and rise. I develop a strong leadership. I live with peace, passion, and direction. Sino yung gusto ng ganong klaseng buhay? Of course, no, gusto natin yung ganon. So, and thank God na dinala po ako dito sa platform na to. And now, not so much on me. Now, let's go to the opportunity. What if Netflix started with an affiliate program? Alam po natin na si Netflix na talagang sikat na sikat po ito. Na kung saan nanonood ka ng Netflix, inire-refer mo to sa mga kaibigan mo na maganda yung movie na pinanood mo and you are get paid by Netflix. Na because of sharing to people, binabayaran ka ni Netflix ng buwan-buwan from the members, no? And right now, si Netflix ay nasa 302 million na. Think on that, no? Paano kaya kung nangyari yun? Pero, hindi kasi ganun ang nangyari. Naintindihan po? Nanonood tayo sa Netflix, we enjoy the movies, no? At by the way, no, si Netflix unti-unting pumapatay po sa blockbuster movie. Because there's a change. Nandoon na yung change of the platform. A lot of people mas gusto na lang nanonood ng Netflix. So what are we getting on this? The only permanent in this world is really change. And because of this, no, ang ating pong company na Live Good, na-inspire po sa industry po ng subscription. And aside from Netflix, tingnan po natin yung mga other popular membership na very common to people. Yung YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's, Costco, Disney, na pwede po tayo diyang magbayad ng either monthly o kaya annual. Yung annual subscription, nakakatipid po most likely ng 2 months. And titingnan natin on the opposite right side, over 100 million, 69 million, 125 million, 200 million. Talagang umabot na po ng million-million ang mga members nitong mga popular membership. So ano po yung pinopoint out po dito? Talagang pinapakita po rito na the industry of subscription or the industry of membership is really booming. Talagang proven and tested na kinikater po ito talaga ng mga tao. Because by subscription, we get a certain benefit in different platform. Okay? So, now, because of this, na-inspire ang ating pong company. At nagtayo po siya ng membership that pays. Pero kung titingnan po natin yung mga popular membership on the left side, this doesn't pay, no? Yung mga YouTube, Netflix, Costco, Sam's, Amazon, Disneyland, wala po tayong balik dyan, tangkilik, no? Wala pong nire-reward si company sa atin dyan. Ang we get only is the purely the benefit. On the contrary, si Livegood po, nag-come up po ng membership na bibili po tayo ng mga produkto niya at makaka-avail po tayo ng big savings. Because the product are given to us almost factory price. At pag nag-refer po tayo ng mga kaibigan, binabayaran po tayo. Sounds great, isn't it? Ngayon, the question is, uh, maganda yung opportunity, right? So, ang next na tanong is, sino ba si Live Good? So, Live Good, is the membership that pays. Magjo-join ka at pag binild mo yung business lalong-lalo na, pwede kang mag-generate ng income. At revolutionary company siya in a sense na, oh my God, sorry po. Okay. So, this is a membership that pays. You join in a membership na may babalik po sa'yo. Revolutionary siya in a sense na this is a game changer. Disruptor, because a lot of companies are looking at Live Good at marami na din po ang kumpanya na gumaya na po sa atin. Pero tayo po yung kauna-unahang company na nagkaroon po ng subscription model na nagja-generate ng income. So what I love Live Good, kaya po siya tinawag na revolutionary. Kasi tinanggal niya po, binago niya po yung mukha ng traditional network. Na kung saan, ito yung madalas na inaayawan po ng mga tao. Andyan yung quota, auto ship, points monitoring, forced buying a product na kahit hindi mo kailangan mo talagang bumili kasi meron kang quota. Wala na rin po yung mga overpriced pricing of products. So, yun po yung kagandahan na nangyari po kay Livegood kasi lahat po ito tinanggal niya. Ngayon, having this, bigyan nga po natin si Livegood ng heart emoji on that. Kasi yan po yung bagay na nakita ko na na-fall in love ako by seeing the opportunity that we have in Livegood. So this company was launched December 13 of 2022 with a business model of wholesale club. So magiging member po tayo dito na kung saan magja-generate po tayo ng income. So itong kumpanyang Livegood na to is na-inspire ito sa Amazon. And konting history lang po tayo, no? Si Amazon, nag-umpisa po yan noong 1995 na online bookseller po siya. And then after 5 years, nag-expand si Amazon. Nagkaroon po ng mga video, music, clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, and many, many more. So, ang Amazon ngayon is one of the largest online store worldwide. And because of what happened to Amazon, doon po na-inspire ang ating pong company, kaya ipinanganak po si Livegood. Ang kagandahan, okay, right now, we started from wellness products. But, Live Good, same as Amazon, we're gonna be adding more products and services from other industries. Like skincare, meron na po tayo niyan. And soon, magkakaroon po tayo ng household products. Yung fundraising, it's gonna be launched. We already have the pets, no? Meron ganun organic pets, food. We also have travels, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just name a few and many, many more. So, meaning to say, si Live Good po, siya po yung next Amazon of social marketing. So, si Live Good, meaning to say, is not a health and wellness company alone. So, Live Good, the membership is the main product that we promote. Ulitin ko, no? The membership is the main product that we promote. Okay? So, we share to people para makatipid po sila ng mga produktong binigay po sa atin ng almost factory price. Hindi po tayo dito, we are not into no buying and selling of unwanted products or services. Kasi nga, bibili ka lang ng produkto kung ano yung kailangan mo. Kasi wala nga tayo ditong quota. And Live Good will be our one-stop online wholesale superstore. Yan po yan. Imagine niyo, time will come, we are already Amazon. So that's the future of Live Good. And furthermore, yung bagay na bakit ako sobrang na-in love, no? I love this company. I'm so passionate about this. Bakit? Because I'm looking into the people running with the company. And number one is, I'm proud to introduce our CEO, Sir Ben Glinsky. He is a man walking the talk, very dynamic, very visionary, and napaka-passionate niya. He owns more than 20 companies and with over 20 years also of experience in owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement. He knows how to help people win. So doon pa lang, alam na po natin na if we're gonna join Live Good, magiging wagi talaga tayo dito. Okay? And to introduce the other corporate team, wherein the true leadership creates true success, uh, allow me to introduce Dr. Ryan Goodkins, our Director of Product Development. Siya po yung nagpo-formulate ng ating pong mga organic products. Okay? So by profession, he is a pharmacist. And we also have here the wife, Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the Director of Product Education. So every Monday, we have a website, Live Good. You can check it on the Facebook. Meron po tayong product education ng mag-asawang to na doon lalawak po yung ating pong kaalaman sa mga products po natin. And you can also email to ask assistance about the products na meron po tayo kay Live Good. And of course, the Director of Field Development, Sir Noder Kazan, siya po yung in charge sa network marketing side. Okay? Dahil po ako, nakita ko po dito sa apat na to, alam mo yung parang musician po sila na kamadong-kamado. They have that powerful teamwork talaga. They love each other, they enjoy the presence of each other. At yun po yung hinangaan ko, yung klase po ng relationship na meron po yung ating pong corporate team. And, of course, no, yung mission statement po ni Live Good, we can read it in silent. So, tulungan niyo po akong basahin to. And that is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, meaning to say, tayo po dito ay mga educator. Tayo po ay parang mga missionary po tayo, no? Na we are here para ipamalita po natin sa mga tao na pwede po silang magpaka-healthy. Tulungan silang magpaka-healthy kasi ang wellness po is one of the greatest wealth. Health is the best wealth. Kasi kung hindi po tayo mag-i-invest para sa kalusugan po natin, sa mga supplementation na ngayon na hindi na po luxury ang supplementation in the sense na marami po tayong kinakain na hindi na po sila healthy talaga from the soil, from the pesticides, from the environment, the pollution and so on and so forth. So nandun po tayo para tumulong magbigay ng awareness sa mga tao na it's about time for us to invest on health. Okay? Na magpaka-healthy sila sa murang halaga. So yun po yung mission po natin because we know that health is the best wealth. So ako sobrang ah, nagustuhan ko po talaga yung puso ng ating pong company. Okay po? So it's time to make a change. So now, ano pa ang sabi dito ni Sir Noder Kasan? The days of selling overpriced products so a few people on top of the payphone can get rich are over. Tapos na po yung mga mamahaling produkto kasi ang mental conditioning before, yung product kaya mahal kasi mabisa. Pero ang totoo nun, times 10, times 20 po, yung pinapatong po sa products para mayroon pong pambayad sa operational cost ng company. That's the reality. So ang ginawa po ni Livegood, tinanggal po yung multiple overhead added on the products kasi ginawa po siyang subscription. Kaya as I explain forward, doon po natin makikita paano nga ba talaga ginawa ito ni Livegood genuinely. So now, the question is, sino nga ba talaga, who will join with Live Good? Sino ba yung join sa atin as we keep on sharing? So dalawang klase ng tao lamang po. Number one, ito po yung mga taong gustong magpaka-healthy sa murang halaga. Okay? Ito din po ay para sa mga tao na gustong magkaroon ng smart income na they gonna share, earn, and help others live better. Bakit siya smart income? Kasi very affordable, very doable, very lucrative, at napakasimple. Okay? So, ano nga uli yung produkto po natin? These are all made in USA. Certified by GMP, the Good Manufacturing Practices. USDA approved. Ito po yung certification na organic po yung mga product natin. United States of Department of Agriculture. The products are laboratory tested. Third-party laboratory testing for purity and potency. And the good news is, meron tayong 100% money back guarantee. Pag hindi mo nagustuhan ang product, ibalik mo. No questions asked, ibabalik po sa atin yung pera natin. That's it, no? And you buy only the products when you need it. So, next question is, paano kayo mag-o-order? Two options. Pwedeng consumer or pwedeng member. Pag ikaw ay bumili as consumer, mababa pa rin. Kasi yung ating base price for the member's price is sobrang baba. Kaya kung member ka, you pay low price. So the next question naman is paano kayo maging member? So, yung member, ibig sabihin, sumali lang dahil gusto yung product. So you get the person's link, yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, at bayad ka ng 9.95. Just as simple as that. And then, bumili ka ng products of your choice. Okay? You're gonna get it at factory price and stay active every month para ma-avail mo yung mga product ng member's price. Ganun po yun. Okay? So parang si Netflix. Pag hindi ka nagbayad ng monthly subscription, walang Netflix. So, ganun din po kay LiveGood. Pag inactive po tayo, and you're gonna buy a product from the dashboard, hindi mo makukuha po yon ng member's price not unless ikaw ay mag-stay active. So, the goal here is to keep you stay active every month. So, anong advantage uli pag ikaw ay naging member? 75% lesser than out in the market sa mga network marketing company outside. Malaki po ang matitipid natin. I show you later on paano po yun tayo makakatipid. So the next one is para yun sa mga member. The next is para naman doon sa gusto ng opportunity, gusto ng smart income. At tanong ko sa inyo, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more every month? Sagot nga po tayo dyan sa chat box. Sino dito yung gusto ng retirement income ng $2,000 monthly? So type nga po kayo dyan sa chat box na me, myself, alone. So for those interested in earning the Live Good, stay po tayo. Nandito na tayo sa almost exciting part ng negosyo. So dito, if you are interested in the business, ang tawag po sa inyo is Live Good Affiliates. Meaning to say, you become an affiliate member, punta ka dun sa taong nag-invite po sa'yo, at magbabayad po tayo ng sign-up fee na $40. And this is only one time. Isang beses mo lang ito babayaran, okay, yung $40, and the rest is magbabayad ka na ng $10 or 9.95 per month for your membership. Very simple, isn't it? 'Di ba? Ganun siya kasimple. Grabe. Ngayon, ano ang kapalit ng $40? This is amazing. Yung $40, pwede kang mag-upgrade nito to annual ha. Yung annual natin, 139.95. Pero kung nag $40 ka muna and $10, pwede kang mag-upgrade ng additional 99.95 or $100. Pwede pong i-upgrade. Pwede din naman one time, 1 year na. So, ang kagandahan pag 1 year, nakakatipid ka ng 2 months. At syempre, hassle-free. Kasi baka mamaya makalimutan mo pang mag-subscribe. Paano kung ang dami mo ng tao? Ano yung mga tao na yon? Mamaya may intindihan nyo po. So, what are the benefits of an affiliate? Number one, you have the affiliation for life na hindi nag-i-expire. Meron kang complete digital business suite. Meron po kayong 4 na website. Number one is the back office, personalized with your password. Number 2, meron kang powerful landing page. Number 3, you have your retail site store that you can market the product in 200 plus countries. Lucrative, di po ba? And number 4, meron tayong free health assessment report na if you get an answer all the 30 questions inside, no, bibigyan ka ng advice by Dr. Ryan Goodkins himself, no? Kung ano yung mga products na kinakailangan mo based on your answer. Kasi may mga personal questions po doon. So, it's very impressive for me. Napaka-useful po nun. So, next is, you participate in the pay plan. Doon na po tayo magkakaroon po ng income. And we also have the multi-channel payout system. Pwede kang sumweldo through crypto, through your bank accounts, and through credit wallet, or many, many more. Marami po tayong payout system. Mamimili ka lang. So, that's the affiliation program of Live Good. Now, let's go to the price comparison. Tingnan niyo po ito. Isang example lamang po, yung ating pong Super Greens. So, itong Super Greens, may kamukha po ito na Organifi, Athletic Greens, pero tingnan niyo po yung presyo sa baba. Ang ating Live Good Super Greens, it's only $18. Okay? Yung competitor, imagine mo the price. $69.99 for Organifi and Athletic Greens is $99. So, ang laki ng tipid, di ba? 74%, 81%. So, pa lang talaga, kay Live Good ka na. And the good thing is, premium quality organic supplement. Sigurado tayo doon. Kasi meron po tayong mga certificate analysis sa mga products natin na alam natin yung quantity at quality ng mga products, yung components of the products na iniinom po natin. Ngayon, to give you the idea of the member's price and the retail price, nakakatipid ka sa pinaka-list product natin which is multivitamins, nakakatipid ka ng mga $8. Magkano din yun? That's almost 500 pesos. Imagine, for one product alone, you save more than almost 500 pesos. Paano na lang kung marami kang bibilhin? Hindi lang multivitamins. So meaning to say, yung membership mo na $9.95 every month na binabayaran mo is really value for money. From the savings that you are getting on the product alone, pag ikaw ay gusto mo lang ng product. Are you getting this? Grabe, no? So, but what about if yung $9.95 mo, bibigyan ka pa ng $2,000 potential income or even higher than that? That's how lucrative the opportunity is. Ngayon, tuloy po tayo. Sa retail price, like organic coffee, magkano tipid po natin dyan? That's something like $8, $9. Sa protein naman, plant-based protein, magkano po yan? $12. So yan, dyan pa lang po, parang simple lang na analysis, ang laking tipid po natin pag tayo ay magme-member kay Live Good. Tama? So grabe, no? So parang kahit dito pa lang, stop na ako, okay na no? Pero syempre, pupunta tayo sa pinaka-exciting part. So meron po tayong shopping website. Yan po, ang dami po nating products. We keep on adding on. More than 40 plus products na po tayo. Ang dami na pong nadagdag. Grabe. So, and allow me to share to you yung isa pong product natin na international pack. Itong anim na products, lahat ito iniinom ko. And I know some of you here are taking all these products. Ngayon, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea, no, kung how useful this for you. Yung complete multivitamins, bioactive multivitamins, from the name itself, from the term itself, multi-complete bioactive complete vitamins. Kailangan po natin yun kasi complete nga po siya di ba? Na hindi po tayo magiging sluggish. Kailangan po natin ng complete vitamins and minerals. Ito naman pong organic coffee, organic super greens. Kung hindi ka pala kain ng gulay, this is really very good for you. Kasi magpag-i-strengthen ito ng inyong immune system, no? Magkakaroon po ito ng stress support and recovery, 'di ba? And many many more. So, andyan yung barley, meron po itong spirulina, at napakarami pa pong mga components na halos na mga greens. Okay? So, organic super reds. This is good for cardiovascular protection, blood circulation, sexual health, brain and cognitive function. Yan ang purpose po ng super reds. At meron din po siyang nitric oxide. Kaya most likely kung pakikinggan po natin yung mga product, talagang very useful po sa atin. And what about the number one top selling product which is Factor 4? Grabe, 4-in-1 po yan. Meaning to say that's an anti-inflammatory. Napakaganda po nito sa may mga rayuma, yung may mga gout, and any painful experience. Factor 4 is really one of the best product kasi yung apat na components, CoQ10, turmeric, ginger, at saka ano pa yung isa, pinagsama-sama po yan in one bottle. Okay? D3K2, this is the sunlight in the bottle. Sunlight in the bottle. Bakit? Kung hindi ka naaarawan, kailangan natin ng vitamin D. Uminom ka lang ng D3K2 para ka na rin nagpasikat ng araw. Are you with me? At yung K2 na yan, nakakatulong yan sa absorption ng calcium sa ating pong katawan. Nagpapatibay ng ating pong buto. And then the ultra magnesium complex, ito naman po yung meron ding nitric oxide na bibigyan kanya ng sound, restful, uninterrupted sleep at meron siyang 300 biochemical reaction. At alam nyo ba, para magpaka-healthy tayo, importante po yung eating good food. So, itong mga to, yung super greens, para ka lang kumakain ng gulay, di ba? Are you making good food? A bit, di ba? Number two is proper sleep. Exercise. So, yung ultra magnesium natin, bibigyan ka ng maayos na tulog. And number four is supplementation. So, with this, no, pag ito pa lang, no, marami pa tayong mga product. Meron pa tayong coffee, organic coffee. Meron pa tayong aminos para hindi maglaylayan yung ating pong mga balat pag tayo ay nagkakaedad. Meron pa tayong E3 kung kailangan mo ng extra energy, and many many more. We have also collagen and many products. So maganda po ba yung products? Maganda po ba ang mga products ng Live Good? At kung bibili kayo ng international pack, no? It's almost free shipping. May kunting add-on, pero it's almost free shipping. Imaginein mo, for an amount of $99.95. So bumili ka sa dashboard mo, at para itong mga products na to, ma-experience mo at magsalita yan sa'yo. Kasi kahit pumasok ka dito na user ka muna ng product, time will come, if the product speaks to you, magsasalita ka na rin. Uy, ang ganda ng tulog ko. Uy, ang ganda ng Factor 4. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng Super Reds, ng Greens. Lahat sila magaganda. So, without you knowing it, binibuild mo na yung business. Pero the first step na sumali ka because you just want to use the product. Are you with me? So, order po kayo ng ating pong international pack. Ngayon, to give you a testimony, no? There are a lot of testimonies. And next time around, I'm inviting leaders, no, from LGSEI. Mag-share po kayo ng inyong testimony kasi the best testimony pa rin po is our story. So, sabi po dito ni Lily Nell, no? The factor 4 advanced formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe but it's true. Imagine mo na wala yung bukol, yung cyst dito po sa kilikili. Ano pa, sabi po ni Frances, dalawa lang po ang babasahin ko, no? I've been taking magnesium for about a month now. And wow, what a difference. I fall asleep faster and I sleep soundly. I wake up feeling like I'm ready to get up and face the day. Amazing. I'm in my 50s and feel like I'm in my 30s. This and the multivitamins for women plus iron, I'm in love. Grabe, no? So, palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good. Ako po, pag magkukwento po ako sa inyo, ng aking personal experience and with my family, hindi po tayo matatapos. Mamaya pa po tayo matatapos. So, ang point lang dito, let the product speaks to you. Pakinggan nyo kung ano sasabihin ng product. And we guarantee you, ako wala pa pong nagreklamo ng Live Good product sa akin. 2 years, 3 years na po ako dito. Sa dami po ng mga products na bumili na po sa akin, wala pong nagreklamo. Ay, Coach B, wala namang talab, no? So, bagkus, ano ang bumabalik? Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. So, isn't it rewarding? Palakpakan nyo nga po si Live Good. So, ano po sabi dito ni Coach Vic? I ordered black seed oil, Vitality and Shilajit, which will be arriving tomorrow. Wow! Congratulations, Coach Vic, di ba? So, ang sarap po talaga na alam natin na we have this mga supplements na makakatulong po sa atin para magkaroon po tayo ng optimum health. Okay? So, yes. Now, exciting po ba yung company at anong products natin? Thumbs up, yes? Tama? Are you excited on the last part, which is the compensation plan? Here, I'm gonna show you the 9 ways to earn and live good. And there are 2 structure. Paano po natin to gagawin? Number 1 is meron po tayong tinatawag na infinite wide 10 levels deep. Ano yon? Ito yung structure na meaning to say, you can enroll as many as you can. At sa lahat ng mga taong in-enroll mo, makikinabang ka pa rin hanggang 10 levels deep. Ang tawag po doon unilevel. And number 2 is meron tayong forced matrix 2 by 15. Alam mo yung term pa lang ng forced matrix, doon po pumapasok yung sinasabi na pwede kang matulungan, pwede kang kumita ng even without you spending effort on it. But of course, we are not promoting that one so much kasi it's a case-to-case basis. Now, allow me to show to you the entire opportunity of Live Good. Dito po sa Infinite Wide, meron po tayong 7 ways to earn. Weekly fast start, retail commission, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonus, free products, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool. So, yan po yan ay nagbibilong po yan sa Infinite Wide. At dito naman po sa Force Matrix 2 by 15, dyan po tayo binabayaran ng matching bonuses at saka matrix commissions. So, dito po sa 9 ways to earn, I won't explain to you entirely. Okay, pipili lang po ako ng 4, which yung 4 ways to earn na yun yung importante muna nating maintindihan. So, para mas maintindihan, ma-figure out po natin yung unilevel, infinite wide, 10 levels deep. Meaning to say, ikaw itong nasa taas, in-enroll mo itong mga taong ito, at tuturuan mo din sila mag-enroll ng mga tao sa baba nila. At itong enrollment process na to is infinite. Wala sa yung pipigil, Coach Vic, tama na, nakakasampu, nakaka-20, nakaka-100 ka na. No. No one will stop you. So meaning to say, imaginein mo, infinite yung opportunity. Ang ganda di po ba? And what else? Makikinabang po tayo hanggang 10 levels deep. Yun po yung ipapaliwanag ko. Ngayon, 2 by 15 matrix. Okay? So ano to? You are here on top. We are put in a structure of triangular structure na yung unang dalawa na sinali mo sa Live Good will be put on your left and right. And the duplication process will be duplicated. Kumbaga, ikokopya yung ginawa natin. Kasi pag sinabi pong network marketing, it's all about duplication. So, pag dinuplicate yung ginawa mo na nag-enroll ka ng dalawa at tuturuan mo yung dalawa ng dalawa ng dalawa, 'di ba? Hanggang down the line, yung matrix natin mapupuno ito. At makikinabang tayo hanggang 15 levels. Eh, what about if, Coach V, ang in-enroll ko 10, saan mapupunta yung pangatlo, pang-4, pang-10? Wala bong ibang paglalagyan kundi sa ibaba ng unang dalawa na sumali sa'yo. Kaya po dito, pwede ka po talagang malagyan ng spillover. Especially if your Actam really is up active. Okay? So, but the best way, we're gonna do it with proper duplication. So, I hope I'm getting clear. Ngayon, ipaliwanag ko na po sa inyo yung structure, no? Infinite wide, you can enroll as many as you can, 10 levels deep. And we have the forced matrix 2 by 15 commissions. Okay. Ah, let me run. Ano yung apat na opportunity na pag-uusapan po natin? The first way to earn is the weekly fast start bonus. Ano to? Ito yung now income. Ito yung quick income. Ito yung active income. Meaning to say, the more people you enroll, the more income you get. At in-enroll mo siya this week, cut-off natin is Friday 3 o'clock. Next Thursday, gabi, 11 o'clock or 12 midnight, makukuha na po natin yung ating commission. Kaya kung gusto mo talaga ng income na weekly, galingan po natin mag-enroll ng tao. Kaya siya tinawag po na active income. And number two is the matrix commission. The matrix commission is really the big picture na nakita ko po sa LiveGood. At diyan po talaga yung nagustuhan ko because it's the heart and soul of the business. Pag naintindihan po natin yung matrix on how it runs, no? And the matrix commission, I call it as future income, pension income, passive income. Ano ibig sabihin ng passive income? Natutulog ka, pero yung business mo, tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso, lumalago. Kumikita po tayo. So number three is the matching bonus. The matching bonus, I call it as royalty fee. You just build people dahil meron po tayong certain bonus or royalty bonus for every people na nai-enroll natin. Meron tayong matching bonus dyan. I explain later on. And number four is the diamond bonus pool para kang co-owner kay LiveGood. Kasi lahat ng income ng company, 2%, pinaghahati-hatian po ng mga may-ari. So now, maganda po ba ang ating pong kitaan sa apat pa lang po? Pwede po bang palakpakan po natin si LiveGood for having such, no? Ngayon, ito pong weekly fast start, this is the first way to earn na pag-uusapan po natin. So, let's start something exciting, okay? Something exciting. Siyempre, nag-uumpisa ka, no? Yung tinatawag po nating fast start bonus. Bakit po siya tinawag na exciting? Kasi, for every person that you enroll, imaginein mo, nag-enroll ka, no? Meron kang 50% na makukuha na $25. Are you with me? At, pag in-enroll mo siya, ngayong week na to, next week, sisweldohin mo na. Are you getting this? Na kung let us say, paano nagwo-work yan, naintindihan niyo po ako, at hindi na po, wala po tayong mga waiting ng 1 month pa, 2 weeks, kundi it's given to us every Thursday night. Kaya po siya tinawag po na fast start. And this is the quick income stream po ng Live Good, that the moment you take action right away, no? You teach your team to get started right away. They build the momentum kasi kumikita po sila. So it's simple, fair, and powerful. So I'm gonna be giving you techniques or tactics on how you gonna maximize this weekly fast start bonus. Ako nag-enjoy po ako dito nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. And right now, I wanna rebuild it again. Bring back the momentum. So, paano po nagwo-work si uh, weekly fast start bonus? Simple lamang po. Sa bawat taong ini-enroll mo, may $25 ka na referral. Walang auto ship, walang quota, walang volume requirements. Yes, it's pretty amazing. Kaya kung masipag ka at nag-enroll ka let as in ng 10 tao, magkano ang kita mo dyan? That's $250. And the good news is, you can refer unlimitedly. You can enroll as many as you can. And right now in LGSEI, we're running, no? The 7-day DM challenge, and we are equipping you on how to become a master prospector. Wow! Gusto niyo bang maging master prospector kayo? Alam niyo yung naririnig niyo sa akin na sisiw, mani, popcorn? Kasi, ang dali na lang makipag-usap, ang dali mo na lang gawin yung negosyo, dito po tayo mag-focus. Kasi pag natutunan po natin yung skill sets na yan, grabe po talaga yung mangyayari sa business po natin. So, come again. Ikaw tong nasa taas, every person you enroll, may 25 ng 25 ng $25 ka. Infinite wide, unlimited earnings. But wait, there's more. Dito, meron po tayong ranking promotions na wino-work out. So, based on the graph, the higher the rank is, the deeper the uni level is. So, yung unranked, meaning to say, wala ka pang tao, meron kang 50% sa taong enroll mo. Okay. Pero the moment na naging bronze ka na, ibig sabihin ng bronze, dalawang direct. Yung dinirect mo, pag yan ay nag-enroll, meron pa rin ikaw kita sa in-enroll ng in-enroll mo. Meron ka 10%. At pag naging silver ka, 20 people yan, merong mga mechanics, okay? Sa latter part, papakita ko po sa inyo. But we do it in true goal setting. So dito po sa silver, ma-open po yung third and fourth level, additional 5%. At pag naman naging gold, additional fifth and sixth level, additional 3% and 2% ang madadagdag po. And the platinum, so ang gold po is nasa 100 people. Ang platinum naman po is nasa 500 people na madadagdagan po ng 2% at 1% ang 8 and 9 level. At ang diamond naman, ang ninth and 10th level, mabubuksan po ng additional 1%, 1%. Okay. So, ang laki, di ba? Palalim ng palalim, palaki ng palaki ang ating pong commissions. So, anong goal natin dito? What is the challenge here? You rank up faster. Because the moment you rank up faster, the more benefits you got from the entire team. Okay? So, pakita ko po sa inyo gaano at magkano yung perang pinupulot natin once this runs, no? 50 to 80% ibinalik po sa atin ng company. Computing nyo po yan, 25, 5 to 50 down here, no? That's 80%. So, meaning to say, ganun po ka generous yung ating company. Na yung ating $10, $8 nun, ibinalik po sa atin. So, ang ating $50, magkano yun? $80, ibinalik po sa $50. $80, no, no, 50. So, yung $40, ibinalik po sa mga tao. So, tingnan niyo po ito, no? Sa level 1, meron po kayong $25. Sa second level, pag bronze, may $5 ka. So, kung silver ka, may karagdagan $2.50 ka. Kung gold ka, madadagdagan ka ng $1.50. $1 sa 6th level. So are you with me? So pag nag-platinum tayo, 50 cents, $1 on the 7th level, 50 cents ng 50 cents pag tayo po ay naging diamond. So that's the weekly fast start. Okay? So again and again, ano nga uli ang weekly fast start? It is the now income. It is the active income. Na nasisweldohin mo linggo-linggo. So, dinaig niya pa yung opisina, no? Na yung office, magbalik-balik ka muna sa opisina ng 2 weeks. So, dito, trabahuin natin this week, may cut-off ng Friday, next Thursday, sweldo na. So, the next way is the matrix commission. Ito po yung residual income. Ito po yung retirement income. Ito yung passive income. Okay? Yung income na kumikita tayo kahit nasa bakasyon tayo, nagpapahinga tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung ating income dyan. So, ang matrix commission, this is where the magic begins. Okay? We call this as the residual income na meaning to say, pwede tayong mag-earn dito ng $2,000 to $16,000. So, ang dapat mo nating intindihin dito is paano natin palakihin ito. So, I'm gonna show you kung paano po ito literally nagbibigay po sa atin ng residual income. As told you, inilalagay po tayo sa isang triangular structure na kung saan lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe ay nasa matrix mo up to the 15th level na lahat ng nagbabayad ng $9.95, 25 cents ay ibinibalik sa atin ng company. Okay? And this is how you're gonna earn. So, I'm gonna show you this. Example, ikaw itong nasa taas. The simple strategy for a beginner, for a starter, is just enroll two. Just as simple as is. Enroll ka ng dalawa at turuan mo yung dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa. At pag ito talaga, itong mantra na to, ay itinuro natin down the line, dahil dala-dalawa lang, yung dalawa na to, tuturuan mong mag-enroll ng dalawa, ng dalawa, ng dalawa, ng dalawa, magduduplicate po yan at mabilis po mapupuno ang ating pong matrix. Na pag nangyari po ito, the potential income, okay, is from $2,000 up to $16,000. Tingnan niyo po ito, no? First level, dalawa. Tinuruan mo yung dalawang kumuha ng dalawa, naging 4. Naging 8. Naging 16, 32, 64, 128 to 56. That's the potential growth of your matrix. So dito, no, pinapakita po sa atin na pwede tayong kumita ng $2,047 to $16,383. Now, here's the point. I'm teaching you, I'm telling you na ang tagline natin sa LGSEI, education is the next big hype. Bakit? Mas mapapabilis po nating mapupuno ang matrix kung tayo po ay may clarity ng understanding that the business is so simple, just by sharing it to two people, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng residual income. Pero yung dati pong mantra, nakikita na walang gagawin, yes, mabilis kang nakapagpa-enroll kasi easy, very easy, okay? Pero hindi na sustain. Kasi lahat ng tao nag-aantay ng income, pero yung matrix na stop yung growth. Are you with me? Ngayon, pag sinabi po kasing network marketing, it represents duplication. And dito, we have to be very careful on the way we duplicate the pay plan. So dito, education is the next hype because we are telling to people the simple strategy which is power of two. Pwede pong power of 5, power of 6, power of 10, 20, depende. Pero the simple power of 2 is very powerful kasi proven and tested yan. It is biblical na si Adam and Eve, nag-umpisa tayo dyan. Nanay at tatay natin dyan tayo nag-umpisa. So the power of 2 is very doable kasi in the first place, dalawa lang naman talagang taong hinahanap natin eh. Yung gusto ng product, yung gusto po ng business. Ngayon, ah with this scenario, tingnan niyo po ito, no? Kasi pag sinabi po nating network marketing, it's all about duplication. Kaya yung masama, yung pangit, yung good, yung right at wrong, nagduduplicate po yan. So it is our choice what form of duplication should I teach to my team para maging stable, sustainable yan. Kaya dito, ang tagline po natin talaga, education is the next hype. We are here to educate you to learn the business professionally so that you could get a professional income. Professional income ba yung monthly kumikita ka ng $2,000? Professional income ba kumikita ka monthly ng $16,000? Mind you, this is just an appetizer on a pay plan. But because wait, there's more. Meron pa tayong isang main dish of the pay plan. So this is how the matrix work. At dito po sa LGSEI, since then, no, when I started, itinuro ko na po yung mantra na you go for bronze in your first week, ituro mo sa baba, pass it on and maximize the matrix. Alam niyo kung bakit? Pag pinakita ko po sa inyo yung mantra na yan, magbigay po tayo ng projection. Di ba projection lang po tayo? On your first week, week 1, may dalawa. Tapos tinuruan mo yung dalawa na, sige, yung first week mo, dalawa din, mag-enroll ka. Tapos yung 8 na nag-enroll, ganun din yung mantra nila. Basta on my first week, I gonna enroll 2. Imagine mo nag-duplicate yan ng mabilis. Kasi lahat kumikilos ng first week pa lang, nag-i-enroll na ng dalawa. You know what is the magic here? Because in the 15 weeks, pwede na tayong kumita ng $16,000. Potentially. So, ibig sabihin ng potentially, that is the probability that will happen if and only if nagkaroon po tayo ng perfect duplication. So, nevertheless, wala naman pong perfect duplication. Still, kahit sabihin nating 10%, 20%, 50% probability, napakalaki pa rin po nito. So what about if Coach V, hindi naman po weekly ang nangyari, kundi ang nangyari is monthly. It's just the same scenario. In the 15th month, 1 year and 3 months, the potential income na kinikita na natin is nasa $2,000 or $16,000 potentially. So, are you getting this? So, meaning to say, very critical kung paano po natin tuturuan yung ating pong team. Kaya the best scenario na ituro natin dito, at least dalawa. Alam niyo bakit dalawa? Number 1, it is simple. Number 2, ROI ka na agad. Anong ROI? Return of investment ka na kagad. Yung $50 mo, bumalik na. Wala ka nang halos puhunan. Nagkakaintindihan po tayo. So what about if, ang mantra kasi natin is get to, and teach the to get to, and repeat. Nag-repeat ka ng nag-repeat. Nakadagdag ka ng 4 na additional na tao sa kare-repeat mo. And how much is the income you will get for additional 4 people? That's $100. So, ano gagawin mo sa $100? Pwede mo yang ipang-upgrade para sa entire year, wala ka nang iintindihin na subscription. Ang iintindihin mo na lang is yung mag-aral ka, mag-enroll ka sa LGSEI University or LGSEI Academy. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin na education is the next hype. Because here, we are giving you lessons, trainings, programs, structures na maiintindihan mo on how you gonna run this business professionally. Yung talagang gagawin mo talaga yung sarili mo na the best version of you. Gusto nyo ba yon? Hello? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay? So maganda po ba ang ating pong Matrix Commission? Palakpakan nyo nga po kung nagustuhan nyo po yon. And number 3 is the matching bonus. Ano po itong matching bonus na to? Ito yung parang royalty fee natin. Para kang may franchising. So every person that you enroll in the business, direct mo, 50% akyat yan sa'yo. So kaya dito, imaginein mo, kung tuturuan mo, kaya ang goal natin dito is kumita po kayo. Bakit? Kalahati nun, akyat po sa upline. Kaya ikaw, kung ikaw upline, what is your goal? You have to educate. You have to teach your direct, no? Na maintindihan yung tamang proseso para gawin ang business. Kasi sa lahat ng matrix nila, kalahati niyan, akyat ng akyat ng akyat sa'yo. And take note, the direct referral, the personal direct is infinite. Kaya ang tanong, ilang tao talaga ang nai-enroll mo? Are you with me? Nung nakita ko po ito, sobrang na-amaze ako. But wait, there's more. There is one thing na hindi ko sukat akalain na kasama pala siya. Nagkagulatan na lang kami pagdating ng sweldo. Okay? So ito po yung tinatawag na 5 generations deep. Grabe, no? So this is where the main dish of the pay plan comes in. So paano nag-work yun? Sa personal direct mo, may 50% ka na income. Okay? Ngayon sa generational bonus, alam nyo ba, nababayaran tayo ni Livegood ng 10%, 5%, 5%, 3%, up to the 5th generation na mga silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. So, depende ngayon sa rank ng mga taong nasa entire organization mo, meron tayong tinatawag na generational bonus sa first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth, and fifth generation. So, depende ngayon sa rank mo, diyan po papalo kung gaano kalalim at kalawak
Wala
yung
ka, Coach Will.
generational bonuses mo. What? Hello? Ano po yon?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, ayan. So, did you get me? Nagets niyo po yung sinasabi ko sa matching bonus. Ngayon, ito po talaga yung pinaka-main dish po ng pay plan. Ito po talaga yung nagta times 5, times 7, times 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 sa matching bonus natin. Kaya yung matching bonus natin, wala pa yan. Pero yung generational bonuses, dyan po talaga yung pinaka-main dish po ng pay plan. So what is the goal here? Mag-educate tayo ng tao. Kaya ang campaign ko po sa LGSEI, education is the next hype. Kasi pag naintindihan po natin kung paano gawin yung business ng tama, na well-educated tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng clarity, understanding, confidence, and proper implementation, nagkaroon tayo ng result, yung generational bonus natin lalaki. Bakit? Lahat nagra-rank up. Lahat kumikita. And the more silver, the more gold, the more platinum, diamonds in your organization, the bigger your matching bonus and generational bonuses is. Palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good. Woo! That sounds great! Okay, pwede po bang bigyan natin ng clap-clap emoji dyan si Live Good? Andyan pa po ba kayo? So, that's the matching bonus. Ngayon, pakita ko lang po briefly sa inyo. Pagpalagay po may 10 kayong direct, kumikita ng $100, 50% ng $100, meron kang $50, 10 sila, kaya may $500 ka. Ngayon, hypothetical example, may 10 kang direct, tigwa 100 ang laman ng bawat silver, $100 each din ang kinikita ng bawat isa. 10% of $100 is $10. 100 sila. Magkano ang generational bonus mo dito? That's 1,000. Para mapadali lang po ang ating pong computation. And the same formula works down the line depending upon on your rank and depending upon on the numbers of the silver, gold, platinum, diamonds in your organization. Make sense? Kaya po dito, punta na po tayo sa next slides. Kung iniisip mo na gagawin mo yung business ng seryoso, pwede mong isali ang asawa mo, nanay at tatay mo, o mga anak mo. Alam mo kung bakit? Yung todong effort mo, sino ang makikinabang? Primarily, yung pamilya mo. Dati, ang daming in-enroll, buong angkan, pero hindi naman nagtrabaho. Kaya anong nangyari? Na-stop. So dito po, sinire-recommend ko po ito if you think you're gonna work on this. 'Di ba? Hardly. So, yun po yung pinaka-best strategy. Ngayon, dito sa 3 slots, dito sa 3 accounts, ito po yung na-close ko kanina, no? She's my personal direct. Praise God. So, how much is the potential income? Pag lahat po sila kumikita na ng full matrix, 'di ba? The potential income of the family is nasa $10,000. And that's more than 500,000. That's why this is the smart move na kung sa tingin mo, hatawin mo to, hatawin mo na talaga siya. Okay? At itali mo na ang pamilya mo. Okay? So, that's only suggestion. Okay. Last but not the least, patapos na po tayo. The Diamond Bonus Pool. So, ano po yung Diamond Bonus Pool? 2% ng income ng buong mundo. Kaya kung ang Live Good ay kumita po ng $15 million, 2% po niyan is given equally divided sa lahat ng diamond sa buong mundo. Kaya kung meron pong 200 na diamonds, potentially, the diamond pool is $5,000. But wait, there's more. Nasa 2 million pa lang po tayo. At ang sabi po ni Sir Ben Glinsky, pag dumating po tayo sa 10 million members, 20 million members, hindi na daw bababa sa $10,000 ang profit share po ng diamond. So tanong ko po sa inyo, sino po sa inyo dito ang gusto na magkaroon ng share na $10,000 every month in the next 3 to 5 years from now? That's why ngayon pa lang po, mag-prepare na po tayo. Trabahuin natin to ng maayos, stable, sustainable, duplicatable. Because the future is waiting for us na yung Diamond Bonus Pool, it can range from $5,000 to $10,000. Are you with me? So, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, paano po ito? 0.5% naman ng kita ng buong mundo pinaghahati-hatian ng Crown Diamond. Ngayon, ang kagandahan, ang Crown Diamond, tatatlo pa lang po sa buong mundo. Kaya kung doon sa sample natin na 50 million, let us say, ang entire sales ng Live Good, do you know already how much is the profit share of a Crown Diamond? That's $250,000. And that's $83,000 each. Kaya no wonder na talagang ang laki po ng income ng mga Crown Diamond. So sino dito ngayon sa atin ang gusto pong maging Crown Diamond? Can you please raise your hand in the chat box or sabihin mo me, myself, or a heart emoji in the chat box kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ka ng Crown Diamond income. Okay? So, we're already done. Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin dito, magpa-pre-enroll po kayo. Sa mga guest namin na nandito ngayon, nanonood sa Zoom at mga nanonood sa live at saka sa mga manunood nito ng recorded, wag na po kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-pre-enroll na po kayo because you will be positioned on top of everyone kung kayo po ang nauna. But you have to make sure na babayaran niyo po ang inyo pong pre-enrollment. Babayaran niyo po ang inyong pre-enrollment bago po mag-Friday. So kahit nagbayad ka ng Lunes, okay, at nag-sign up ka kagad, nag-pre-enroll ka ng Sunday, nagbayad ka ng Friday, sorry no, still ikaw pa rin po ang mapoposition doon sa ating pong power line. That's the good news. So kahit naman is ikaw yung kauna-unahang nagbayad, pero late ka naman nag-pre-enroll, last po kayong papasok sa power line. Kaya anong advantage po dito? What are you getting on this? Mag-pre-enroll po kayo the soonest possible time. Wala namang bayad. And then make sure na before Friday, cut off, bayaran nyo na po yung $50 or $140 if you plan to pay annual. Okay? So that's it, no? Now, we are just still at the tip of the iceberg. Anong ibig sabihin nun? 2 million pa lang po tayo. The next big thing is about to happen. 100 million to a billion onwards. Kumbaga, wala pa. And the good thing is tayo po yung mga pioneer. Nag-uumpisa pa lang po si Live Good. Remember, wala pa tayong 3 years. And congratulations sa mga nagsiseryoso na gawin po talaga to because the next big thing is about to happen. So that's it, no? So, ito po yung ating pong mga ranking promotions. Pwede nyo po itong screenshots. Okay po. Para maintindihan nyo po on how you gonna rank up to bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and crown diamond. So we are not going to explain that tonight dahil tinuturo po yan sa ating pong mga trainings sa Complan. Okay. So next is, I'm about to end. There are 10 reasons bakit po tayo sasali kay Live Good. Number one, wholesale prices on high-quality supplements, affordable membership fee, lucrative affiliate program with simple system. Grabe, no? Di ba? Ang simple lang naman talaga. The proven to who get to duplication model. Global opportunity, open tayo ng 200 plus countries. No auto ships or hard selling. $10 lang pinag-uusapan. First mover advantage kasi tayo po yung mga pioneer. Residual income ang long-term stability. The done for you marketing system kasi may apat ka na nga pong replicated websites dito. The true leadership and transparency. So with this, no, maganda po ba yung opportunity o sobrang ganda? Ngayon, ito po ang tanong ko po sa inyo. Are you A, B, or C? Si A is affiliate member, si B is to become a member, si C is retail customer. So, I would assume that your answer is A, pero if you feel answering on the chat box, sagot po tayo doon. So, congratulations sa mga nag-A. So, go to the person who invited you, okay, and tell them if you are A, B, or C. Yung napag-usapan po natin ngayon from the company to the product to the opportunity na 4 ways to earn, tama. So, we discussed about the fast start, the matrix, the matching bonus, as well as the diamond bonus pool. Ang na-realize po natin dito na si Live Good ay hindi lang po siya talaga negosyo. It's just not only a business. Live Good is really a life vehicle, okay? Wow, it's a life vehicle that can bring you from where you are right now, from survival to abundance. Wow, grabe yun, ano? From survival to abundance. Imaginein mo ngayon, maaring sumali ka, wala ka pang pambili talaga doon sa mga products. Sabi ni Coach Charlene, wala pong nagbabudget ng para sa supplementation. Then the more na mag-create po tayo ng urgency na i-build natin yung business kasi the moment na lumalago na po ang ating income, meron na po tayong luxury to buy the product month after month after month. Kagaya ng ginagawa ni Coach Vic. Tama ba, Coach Vic? Saan ba galing yung mga ipinambibili? Di ba galing na yun sa income? Are you with me? So ano yung motivation natin dito? Para doon sa gustong magpaka-healthy at wala pa tayong specific budget para sa mga wellness product, then let's be more aggressive on building the opportunity in sharing talaga the business platform para meron tayong sapat na income na pambilin na po natin ang mga supplement. At doon natin maisa sa katuparan yung mission ng statement ng Live Good to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay meron kang magandang business, meron kang hanap buhay, meron kang trabaho, abay wag mo namang tipirin ang sarili mo. Bumili ka po ng product, gamitin mo, mag-member po kayo. So kahit sinong tao po talaga, that's the reward that we could give sa ating pong sarili. So ngayon, nakita po natin that the Live Good is a life vehicle from our survival going to abundance. Okay? So, ano lamang po ang dapat nyong gawin sa mga nakikinig sa atin dyan sa live at sa lahat ng mga nandito sa Zoom? Welcome nga pala doon sa guest ni partner Candice. Okay po? So, welcome to Live Good, Janet Lidron. Thank you for being around. At saka sa mga nanonood sa atin dyan sa live, no? At sa manonood nito sa ating pong recorded one. So, this is what I gonna tell you. So now na napakinggan na po natin ang Live Good, no? Try to open your heart on this message. Might you had been praying for an opportunity na without you knowing it, eto na pala yung opportunity pinagdadasal mo. Dahil dito sa Live Good, we're not only building income, we're giving you the impact. We are building impact na kung saan dito sa ating Live Good community, dito sa ating LGSEI community, by your side, you're not doing the business alone. You're joining in a team in a space of a safe space of community na kung saan we're gonna help you rise up, we're gonna help you transform, and we're gonna teach you on how you gonna lead para magkaroon po tayo talaga ng tinatawag po nating solid, rock solid, and residual income. So, palakpakan po natin si Live Good. At para mas ma-figure out nyo, ano yung mga simpleng steps para gawin nyo to, apat lang. Number one, i-define nyo po yung why mo. Connect to your why. Ano kaya yung dahilan bakit ko gagawin to? Because if you know your purpose, it will really fuels you, including your persistence. Sabi nga po, if you know your why, your how to is easy. And number two, syempre be willing to learn. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon that we are giving you mga skill sets na siya ang magiging weapon mo, weapon. Yan po yung magiging kasama nyo habang nilalakbay nyo po ang Live Good. Ako sobrang excited po ako doon sa niraran po nating 5-step SOAR framework. Grabe, nilagyan ko ng pangalan. Ano po? 5-step SOAR framework. Yung ating DM challenge process flow. Wow, ang dami ng term, no? Pero talagang, pag yan naintindihan po natin kahit nakapikit, kaya nyo pong mag-turn ng simpleng conversation, ng simpleng connection, ng simpleng conversation into conversion. Ibig sabihin, mapapasign up mo po talaga sila. Kasi, inaral mo eh. Ano yung dapat mong sabihin? Tama mong sabihin. Ngayon, ano ang susi po doon? You have to be willing to learn. You have to stay coachable because growth starts with humility. Hindi po tayo matututo kung meron po tayong ugaling acne. Alam ko na yan. Marunong na ako niyan. Pero yung totoo, kulang pa talaga. And number three is follow directions and obey. So last Saturday, I taught you about a simple way to make 100 convo starter. Connect just 200 people. Hi, hello, kumusta ka? And then after that, I told you to use the ACA formula. 'Di ba? Acknowledge, compliment, and ask. And you ask based on the form system. The core rapport methodology system about the family, the occupation, the recreation, for you to get the sign. Ano ba yung goals nila? Ano ba yung needs nila? Ano ba yung mga strengths nila? And in having that, no, doon ka papasok sa invitation. Imagine mo, from 100 convo, in-ECA mo, okay, ni-rapport mo, may from 100 conversation ng 30 response, may sasagot yan sa'yo at least 30 or even more. Yung 30 sasagot sa'yo, irarapor mo ngayon, i-ask mo ngayon, lulutuin mo ngayon, 'di ba? You're gonna disarm the prospects by asking them the question, the right questions. At meron doon sa 30 na yon, 10 na magsasabi sa'yo, sige, send mo sa akin yung link. Sige, I gonna watch the video. So you can bring them during Tuesday. At pwede mo rin i-share yung recorded video. Ito po bukas may i-share na po natin to sa university. May isi-send na po namin ito sa mga GC. So you can have this presentation shared to your prospects. Good po ba yon? So you have ample of presentation videos na pwede nyo pong ma-share sa prospect nyo na kahit hindi sila naka-attend sa ating pong live presentation, they can always watch on the recorded one. So, number three, okay, from the 30 na in-interrogate mo, sa 30 na kinausap mo, may 10 dyan na makikinig ng Zoom. And from that 10 people who watched the video, who joined the Zoom, meron kang 2 pay-in. Bakit dalawang pay-in? Pwedeng isa, pero I know that two is very highly attainable kasi low ticket entry po si Livegood. It's only 3,000. Pero kung siguro ang pinag-uusapan natin is nasa 10,000, 15,000 or higher, baka isa ang sign-in. Pero since itong pinag-usapan natin is low ticket entry, it's only 3,000 pesos, more or less. So meaning to say, that's the numbers, no? The numbers game. So follow and obey direction. I-trust nyo lang yung process. Maniwala po kayo. If you just do it by heart, you enjoy it, the result is waiting for you. And number 4 is take massive, massive action. So stay coachable, don't wait for motivation, move with discipline. So congratulations sa mga action taker. I know yung ba nahisiguro yung puusap. Pero as you continue on learning on our prospecting topic, okay po, on this coming Friday, we gonna inject again on how we gonna do it. At tuturuan pa kayo kung paano padamihin pa yung mga prospect nyo. Paano nyo sila gawing warm market, yung mga lukewarm nyo. Yung mga cold nyo, gawin yung lukewarm. So, tuloy-tuloy po tayo dito mag-aaral. So, two types of people you're gonna looking for. Yung product members. Ito po yung mga taong gusto lang magpaka-healthy sa murang halaga. And number 2 is yung mga affiliate member, yung gustong kumita habang nakakatulong sa kapwa. At yung pinakasimple natin ditong core duplication and stability, dalawa lang po, dalawa lang. Pag itong dalawa na to is talagang inintindi at ginawa natin, number 1 is GPS. Ito yung guided path to success. Ito yung tinatawag na get in, plug in, stay in. Mag-plug in ka sa Zoom. Mag-plug in ka sa academy. Mag-plug in ka sa mga group chats. Mag-plug in ka sa mga GC. Mag-plug in ka sa university. Kasi nandoon po yung ating mga educational tools. Nandoon po yung mga trainings. Doon po tayo nagsiset ng goal, doon tayo nagpa-planning, at doon po tayo kakapag-create ng system. Goal, plan, system. Kasi ang system, yan yung nagbibigay sa atin po ng direksyon. Kaya kung dito, wala po tayong direksyon sa ating pong business, anong resulta pong inaantay po natin? So, the number 1 solution is really GPS. Am I getting it clear? And number 2 is the simple power of 2. The power of 2 that is highly doable, duplicatable, balik na agad ang puhunan mo, naka-enroll ka ng dalawa. At kung itutuloy-tuloy-tuloy mo pa ang pag-i-enroll, pag naka-enroll ka ng 4, mag-upgrade ka na to annual. Wala ka nang intindihin, kundi palakihin ang organization mo. At pag tuloy-tuloy nagkakaroon ka ng income, that's the time you buy the product. So, I've already presented to you an amazing opportunity na ako po, I believe crystal clear. Live good is really an opportunity of a lifetime. A lifetime of an opportunity. Asan ka man ngayon, ano man ang nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, it is not by accident. You are here for a purpose na ipinakita sa iyo ng Diyos na may napakagandang opportunity na pwedeng makapagpabago ng buhay natin. Ito yung opportunity na maaaring sagot po ng sagot ng langit, sagot ng Panginoon para sa atin. And to share to you the mission statement of Live Good, to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar. We are here to win. Okay po? Empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose. We are here to enjoy the benefit of the products. We are here to share it to many people, to duplicate leaders not only in the Philippines but worldwide. Imagine mo, ang ganda po ng mission statement natin. To raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to duplicate abundance across nations. So I thank God for this powerful mission statement. Grabe. And disclaimer to finally end, the information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery and courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95 is a requirement to remain active member of Live Good. So yan po yung ating pong disclaimer. And we are already done. Thank you po sa mga na dumalo. And sa mga nandito po sa Zoom, wag po muna kayong umalis. Meron po tayong meeting after meeting. So my last parting words to everybody is focus on working on yourself and you're gonna attract up who you become. So we have a great vehicle given to us. Our task for now is work on ourselves, no? Focus on working on ourselves. That is why we are giving you here in LGSEI the form of education which is the next big hike. So palakpakan niyo po ang inyong pong sarili. Ayan po. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.